Hi, amazing family. What's up, my YouTube family? If you've been following my page or you have just followed me recently, you would notice that I talk a lot about stock market and how to make money. So in this channel, I show you how to make money, how to grow your money, and how to multiply your money by investing in the stock market. So today, I'm going to be talking about the 2024 stock market opportunities. A lot has been happening. Honestly, a lot has been happening, and I want to share with you something that is very juicy. Do not miss any opportunity. So, let's talk about what has been happening in the stock market. Okay, so a wild August so far. Oh my God, we just started off on a very shaky, way. Here are four things that happened yesterday. Oh my God. The Dow dropped over 1,000 points. The investment brokerages had glitches because a lot of people were selling. It was crazy. Recession odds were raised and Bitcoin also dropped. Guys, this is amazing. So just cool down and I'll give you all the gist. You have me, and I'm going to show you how to make money, even in the worst case scenario. So, I'm going to show you and also give you some stocks that you should be looking at. So, moving forward, fam, do me a favor and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe and drop a like button because it's going to help YouTube to show this video to more people, and that is the most important thing. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let us go. All right, continuing. Okay, so this is what happened yesterday. The Dow tumbled over 1,000 points, and the S&P 500 posted the worst day ever since 2022 in the global market sell-off. And it just made me to remember what Warren Buffett used to say: "Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful." And that is one way to get ahead. Just check it out. Let's look at the fear and greed index. Okay, just flow with me, flow with me. Can you see this? What is happening? I Warren Buffett said, "Be fearful when others are greedy," meaning that when the market, the pointer is going on the extreme greed, you should be selling. And when the pointer is down to extreme fear, you should be buying. That is just what I do whenever I see the index go to this way. So as you can see, this is currently at extreme greed. It is at 21. Few days ago, it was around 25, 26, thereabout, and now it has entered extreme greed. This gauge is like the stock market's mood ring, okay? So it can help you to figure out what is driving the trades by measuring the investor's emotion. And like I said, this is the time for me to jump in and grab some opportunities that I may have missed in the stock market. Now, let me show you one good way that I'm doing that. And I'm going to go into my charts and I'm going to go through them. Let me pick up SPY. Okay. I love watching the SPY because this is where the main action is happening. Everybody, if you really want to get good at the stock market, you should be watching the SPY. Can you see this? You can see that it had gotten to 560 and it dropped massively. So this is the point where that fear and greed index was pointing at extreme greed. And this is when I told a lot of people in my community to start selling. Can you see what happened after that? Red, red. So it's been like selling off, jumped. Can you see this gap here? There is a gap from here to here. This gap was a sign that market was losing it, and it tried to pick up. Can you see here? Tried to pick up, and what happened next? Massive sell-off. As if it wasn't enough, another one. As if it wasn't enough, the third one. But the good thing is market is trying to make a comeback. Okay? Market is trying to make a comeback. So it has built a support around here. Farm, if it loses here, we are coming back to 490. But like I say, this is the daily time frame. Now, this is what I teach you to do. This is my buy zone. You see this place between 515 down to 510, 511 is where I'll be buying. But I don't necessarily trade in the SPY. I'm going to show you one stock that I am looking at. I just wanted to show you how you can use this opportunity to look at other stocks in case you are also looking into the stock market and you're trying to think of where do I start. I'm going to go into the stock that I am currently buying. This is my opportunity. Everybody knows NVIDIA, the king of AI. Okay, it became recently the most valuable company on earth, passing Microsoft and passing Apple, which has held that, for a very long time. Just take a look at some of the things I've marked here. So a lot of people told me, oh my God, I missed buying NVIDIA when it was below 100. Now another opportunity has come. Can you see? I keep, putting these marks to help me understand when market is breaking and dropping back. So you can see here, NVIDIA is building a massive support around 95 to $100. And this is actually my buy zone. Anything below 100, I would buy. I don't mind buying it in $10, in $50, in $30, in 70, in 150, but here I'll buy because what comes down must go up. The same way what goes up must come down. So this is a particular one I am watching. You don't need to time the market. You just need to monitor the chart. I always tell you, the money is in the chart. If you understand this statement, you will know that as you're looking at the chart, you will see your opportunities. This is an opportunity for you to go 50%, go even 100%. Mark my words, you see NVIDIA. NVIDIA is still going to bounce up, come back to the all-time high of 140, and NVIDIA will pass 140. It will get to 160, 180, 200. It's going to happen. But the question is how long? We don't have that because as it is now, market is still a bit shaky, but this is what I'm doing. I am buying around this area. This is my buy range. So this is the reason why I put this box here. But peradventure it loses here and breaks further down. This is where I'm hoping it will fall back to. Okay, so another thing you can also do is for risk management, you can set your stop loss around here, 91. So if it breaks below 91, I can sell off and count my losses and jump right back in when market stabilizes. So this is one of the strategies that I use and I teach in the community. So NVIDIA is that one stock that I am currently buying because I said I'll be showing you opportunities in the stock market, and that is what I am showing you right now. Now, another quick one, I want to show you what's going on in Tesla. So let's look at Tesla. Can you see Tesla? Tesla used to be around above 200 and it had a drop. So this area, I put the first box, it has a massive support there. And you can see currently, due to the sell-off, it actually came in within that range again. If he loses here, we are heading back to 160s and probably, touch around 160, 165 or down to 150 range. But this is an area I'm looking at that if it holds support here and begins to make an upward move, I'll probably like to buy Tesla when I see it go beyond 210. So this is one of the ways that you can catch in on other opportunities. And if you're a long-term minded person, this is an opportunity that is going to work out for you. And these two stocks are the key stocks that I'm looking at because when it makes a move up, this, can you see this? I want to show you something. So this is how long, how big. This is massive. You see this area is where you're catching up on the upside, and this is how to make money on the stock market. So this I wanted to talk to us about today and show you how you can make money. Like I said, my eyes are on NVIDIA. This is my buy zone below 100, very sweet spot, and we take it up to 140 and beyond 140. There are other strategies you can use to buy in between. Buy, I call it a rinse and repeat strategy. So you can buy in and cash in on the little moves of up and down. And that is another thing we discuss in the community. If you enjoy this video, please click on the subscribe button and look out for the next video. I do videos like this to show you things that are happening in the stock market and how you can make money out of these opportunities. And I can't wait to see you in the next video.